So we're gonna try to install Ubuntu from scratch. We have done with all the trial and errors. We are assuming that we have done it, but we are assuming that the viewers, they have enabled the virtualization support in the BIOS, as well as they have enabled the hypervisor and Hyper-V in Windows. Windows feature, I think it's in control panel. Turn Windows feature on and off. So we can run the Hyper-V. We're going to create a new virtual machine. We're going to use the next. We're going to name it Ubuntu C. Guys, just generation. We're going to keep it generation 1 because we just did with this one and it failed to load. We're going to give it again 2 gigabits. We're going to say default switch. We're going to use the C right there, 20, and we're going to give it an image file location that is in downloads, and we're going to finish. It's creating disk. The disk done. Let me check if all one are deleted. 370. Okay, I'm going to click connect and then start. No, it's giving me a very weird message. It says F1 help language key map models. F2. Why is it doing it? I have no idea. It looks like each time I do it, it throws it an error. I need to turn on the task manager to see if status running. Do I have to press enter? Yes. Without installing, install Ubuntu. Check this for defects, test memory, boot from first hard disk. We can do the install, and the installation begins. We can try to and apparently we cannot resize it, and there you go, it did it automatically. Well, it looks like it's working this time. We have gone to the installation, unlike when we did the UEFI boot. Oh wow, look at that. English, yes. English United States, yep, that's right. Normal installation, yep. That's what we want. Erase disk installment. Yeah, we're gonna go with that one. SCSI. What's go back option? Use. That's enough. Virtual test environment, so we can continue. Okay, that's fine. New York. Your name. Let's put my name here. Imran virtual machine. We can give it a password. Right, continue. And now the installation, and I hope this time the installation goes smooth. It's not like that those crazy errors that it threw at us the last time. And Copying files, is there a way to see? Yep, there is a way to see what's going on. CPU is pretty reasonable right now. Maybe it's because the another operating system is not running right now. The memory is at 57%. No. Okay, so this time it's like all visual, versus the last time it was all like in black and white where just code was going. This time it's giving like visual advertisement. By the looks of it, I want to say that the audio will work this time, and I hope it does. Yeah, we did not get to see all this visual advertisement on the top portion of the installation, so this one is different. I'm glad I was able to I thought to download the fresh ISO and work with it. And interestingly, when I went to Ubuntu website, they detected that I am running an AMD machine, so they automatically redirected me to a download which was for AMD. The ISO in its name itself says AMD at the end. This is definitely a different installation. CPU is still at about 20%. Memory is, it was 57, now it's down to 53. Alright, good. So we definitely a different installation. Last time it threw a bunch of errors, and then at the end it says rescue kernel or something, and we had to shut it off. And the next day when we tried to run it, just out of nowhere it started. So it says installation is complete, you need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. Let's go and restart this virtual machine. Alright, please remove the installation medium, then reboot. I think I saw the purple. And there you go. Okay, definitely a much better experience this time. Click on it, provided the password, and that did not work. Why? That is something. There you go. So maybe the num lock on the keypad, once the virtual machine restarts, it disables the num lock like the actual machine does. So that's what's happening. But here's the welcome screen. What's new in Ubuntu? Activities, files, time, system menu, and all that. Before I show the first report, no, don't send any information. Alright, So before we do anything, I want to see if the sound is working. And in the last installation, it was actually because the installation was funky. That was the case. So let's go to YouTube and play any video. And no, there is no sound. Why is there no sound? Do I have to enable sound somewhere? Sound is enabled here. That's the wired connection. Okay, wired connected. Internet is working. Check out Bluetooth notification. Can privacy sounds. Dummy output. Choose a device for sound effect. Output. Over amplification. No. Why sound is not working? Like it's not supposed to. I don't know what's going on. Profile, there's no profile. Is there a way to install drivers? I will have to look at it, but yeah, right. Well, a very smooth installation. We were able to install it without any hiccups this time, and software updater, what is it? And complex channel header. Should we do this software update Ubuntu base? Okay, let's install it and see if that gives me the sound. I hope it's as fast as the original installation was. Nothing is happening, or is happening in the background. It should be here. There you go. I actually bought a laptop hard disk. I'm gonna put Ubuntu in that very old laptop. That's like at least 10-12 years or maybe more. Yeah, I think I bought that back in 2008 probably. So yeah, 11 years ago. I'm gonna put Ubuntu on that and use that machine for a while to see. That laptop actually had Vista, I believe, on it when I bought it. So I'm gonna use that as Ubuntu now. Just a living room laptop to basically study the online courses that I'm taking right now. So hopefully it will be a pleasant experience. If not, then I will erase the installation and go with the Windows 10 on it. This time I just want to try this Ubuntu and see if I can manage to change my main operating system from Windows to Linux. This is more like I would say like a phone screen where this everything is in tiles and icons. So where is my desktop? There it is. well, the update is taking longer than the actual installation itself. Maybe that's their secret. It's done, and it's asking me to restart again. Let's restart it. Okay, now we know it disables the num lock, so I'm gonna turn it on to enter password, and it takes right away. So virtual machine is pretty much like the host machine, except it's just running in a window, like this window in an operating system. So let's give voice a try. Then it's too late right now. It's about 1:33 midnight, so I gotta go and sleep. I actually sat to study, but then I thought, let's give this installation on Hyper-V another try. That's what I did. First window. Please sound. Nope, no sound. Well, I will figure it out. So far I'm happy with installation. It was like a breeze, and updated the machine. I will be playing around in it a little bit. Oh, even if I go full screen, though, it just stays in the virtual machine screen, which is pretty much can we no, I cannot make it any bigger. So well, that's it for now. There's that dot over there. What will happen here? So is it like an instance for that Thunderbird mail? Yep. Yes. So the dots, those dots, they tell how many instances of the programs are running. And let's test this theory. We add another one. Nope. So those are tabs. Just try the actual window, new window, and there you go. Yep, I was right. So there are two, since now two separate instances of Firefox running, so there are two dots. Okay, good to know. Well, that's it for now. I'm gonna shut it down, and hopefully I will be able to fix the audio issue. Till then, I will create another video with the fix. Thank you for watching, and you have a good night. Shut down. Stop. There's no stop. And did the memory drop? Yes, it dropped. CPU is good. Alright, the disk was at 100% at one time. Okay. But actually I have the M.2 drive. So this one is interesting based on what the M.2 speeds they can handle. It was unexpected here. Well, let's close it. Thank you.